This is a this is a half-inch Jacobs chuck uh, with key, with chuck key, and it comes with several adapters. The one I've got on here right now is for a 1/4-inch hex. Uh, I'm going to be using it with my electric screwdriver, so it just pops into the screwdriver. It also comes with a uh, what's it called? An impact driver uh, adapter, and it comes with a half-inch square drive, depending on the tool that you're going to be attaching it to. Essentially, what this does is it adapts other tools for use with a half-inch up to a half-inch chuck. Uh, this is also good on my little 3/8 inch battery operated drill. If I need to put in a drill bit larger than 3/8, I can just stick this in there and and chuck up to a half-inch drill bit. You have to keep in mind though that uh, you need enough uh, enough power to drive that half-inch drill bit. So don't get carried away. Thank you.